Spotted Lake, British Columbia. Spotted Lake is located northwest of Osoyoos along Highway 3. A lake rich in a variety of minerals including calcium, sodium sulfates, and magnesium sulfate. During the hot summer months, much of the water in the lake evaporates, leaving concentrations of these minerals that form the spots visible in the lake. Throughout the summer, the spots shift in size and color as the minerals within each change with further evaporation. Colors ranging from blue to green to yellow appear, depending on the mineral makeup of each individual spot. Spotted Lake is a cultural and ecologically sensitive area and is a sacred site to the First Nations people. It is a sacred site that has been considered a revered place of healing for centuries. The belief is that each of the different circles holds its own unique medicinal and healing properties. During World War I, minerals from the lake were used to create ammunition. The minerals were harvested or mined by Chinese laborers who drew up to 1 ton of salt for the service of the lake each day. It is said that prior to the pillaging of these minerals, the lake displayed an even greater variety of colors and an even greater artistic beauty. Salt extracted from the lake was shipped to eastern Canadian munitions factories. As you can see, the beauty is unrivaled. I shot this from the Mavic Mini, as you cannot get any closer on land.